Welcome back to the kitchen. I am Busy Dad. Today we are cooking a pumpkin 2 ways, possibly in 2 separate videos. We're gonna do 2 things. We're gonna chop this up and we're gonna roast the pumpkin with some sugar and cinnamon, and we're gonna get the seeds and we're gonna toast those as an awesome snack. Now this is a sugar pumpkin, and it's called that because people say it's a little bit sweeter than the big ones that you'd make a jack-o'-lantern out of. This wouldn't be very good for a jack-o'-lantern unless you have really small hands and really small knives, and then maybe you could do it. Now you can see somebody else has already taken a stab at eating this pumpkin. This is from our friendly neighborhood squirrel, and you can see he didn't get in all the way, because what he's really looking for in there are the seeds. So we're gonna cut this bit out, obviously not eat that. First step here, we're gonna take a knife, cut around the top, remove all the seeds, and then chop this into pieces. Helper, do you wanna help?
No, thank you.
Now once we've chopped this up, break this open, and look at what's inside here, all of these seeds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of these and pull them out, put them in a bowl of cool water, and we're going to take a spoon and we're going to scrape all this inner part out, because this stringy stuff, if this were spaghetti squash, this would be awesome to eat, but it's a pumpkin, and so that's no good. We only want this flesh here. Do you want to help?
No, how did you cook it? No, how did you cut it?
How did I cut it? I cut it with a little knife like this. This next part where we scrape all this out gets really messy, so if you don't like getting your hands dirty, have somebody else do this part. Now, once we've got these all scraped out of all the stuff, de-seeded, we're just going to put them on our baking sheet, spray them with some cooking oil. This is important because pumpkins don't have any fat whatsoever in them. They also don't have a ton of taste, except a vague pumpkin taste. And so you really do need to flavor this stuff in order to make it something you want to eat. But this is going to be a great dessert or a side dish. I'm going to sprinkle it with cinnamon. And once we've done that, I'm going to get my helper and we're going to put on a little bit of sugar too. Once that's done, these go into the middle of a preheated 400-ish degree oven. When these come out of the oven, they are going to look like this. And yes, I did put them on a different pan. Now these are done. They're starting to get a little bit brown around the edges, and a fork slides in pretty easily. Now these are super hot still, so I'm not going to be able to try these on the spot, but I can tell you what they taste like because I've had a bunch of these. They're sweet, they've got sugar on them, they taste like a pumpkin, of course, and they're cinnamony. They are a great side dish. Well, that's all for tonight. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're a new viewer, make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button. Help me out. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you want to see something or you like this classic New England and probably everywhere that pumpkins are produced dish. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.